Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Easy Learning. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Today we are going to have a talk on cloning. We have all heard about Dolly, the famous sheep. But why is Dolly so famous? This is because unlike other sheep, Dolly was not born in the usual manner. She is like a carbon copy of her mother, like an identical twin, and she does not have a biological father. Scientists at the Roslin Institute in Edinburgh, UK, made history on 27 January 1997 when they successfully cloned a sheep. So, what is cloning? Cloning is the process by which an exact identical copy of the original can be made. Clones are those organisms that have identical genes. That means the sequence of their DNA is the same, an exact copy. You might be wondering that what is DNA? Our bodies are made up of cells which have information to go about their work in the forms of DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid. This is called the genetic code. Every organism gets half of this information from the father and the other half from the mother. We all have grown from a single cell which contains these two parts of the DNA. It is called the egg cell. It divides millions of times to give rise to the millions of cells which form our body, and each cell has a copy of all the genetic information needed by the body. This means that each cell of our body has enough information to create other human beings like us. All we need is an egg cell. This is how Dolly's life began, from a single cell taken from the udder of her mother. The DNA in her mother's cell was removed and transformed into the egg cell of another sheep. 5 months later, Dolly was born as a healthy lamb, a clone of her mother and without having a biological father. The end of Dolly. Dolly died on 14 February 2003. Dolly. Later, Dolly gave birth naturally to a lamb named Bonnie. However, at the age of 6, Dolly died due to a lung disease. People think that it was due to the cloning process, but scientists disagree. However, the success rate of cloning is very less. Dolly was born after 276 failed attempts. Similarly, 70 calves have been created from 9,000 attempts and one-third of them died young. With certain species such as dogs, rats, and horses, no successful clones have been created at all. Scientists have thought of cloning human beings too, but such an experiment hasn't been conducted yet as there are several laws banning human cloning. This might be because of the human emotional feelings. Another form of cloning is called the therapeutic cloning. In this type of cloning, the goal is to produce healthy new cells by cloning a patient's own cells. The new cells would be transplanted into the patient's body where they could replace damaged cells. Because the new cells would contain the patient's own DNA, they would not be rejected by the immune system and would help in fighting chronic diseases. Hope you learned something new in this video. Thank you.